In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Stripe Checkout to Webflow. This is a simple way to let visitors on your Webflow site click a button and go straight to a Stripe-hosted checkout or payment page. The nice part about this setup is that Stripe handles the payment experience for you, and in Webflow, all you really need to do is connect the right link to the right element. To get started, log into your Stripe dashboard, make sure you're in the correct Stripe account, and looking at the main dashboard before moving on. This is where you'll create the payment link that customers will use when they click from your website. Once you're inside Stripe, go to Payments, then click Create Payment Link. Stripe will generate a URL for you based on the product or payment setup you choose. After that link is created, copy the generated URL. This is the key piece you'll bring over into Webflow. It's a good idea to double check that you've copied the full link so it works properly when someone clicks it. Next, switch over to the Webflow Designer. In your project, find the button or link element you want visitors to click in order to start checkout. This could be a Buy Now button, a pricing call to action, or any text link that should send someone to Stripe. Select that specific element so you can edit its settings. With the correct element selected, go to the Element Settings panel and locate the URL field. Then paste in the Stripe payment link you copied earlier. This tells Webflow where that button or link should send people when it's clicked. Be careful not to paste the link into the wrong field, especially if you're working with multiple buttons on the same page. After pasting the URL, it's worth taking a moment to test everything. Click through in preview mode or publish the site and test the button on the live page to make sure it opens the Stripe checkout correctly. If it doesn't work, the most common issue is usually an incomplete link or the wrong element being selected in Webflow. And that's all it takes. You log into Stripe, create a payment link, copy the URL, select your button or link in Webflow, and paste that URL into the element settings. Once connected, your Webflow site can send users directly to Stripe for a clean and secure checkout experience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.